My name is Brandon Clemens, and I'm picking up my 2013 Infiniti G37X. My sales consultant was Tim Brickner. Really solid guy, knows more about this car than I probably ever will driving it around. He's just really nice, really knowledgeable, and really great to work with. I decided on this car because I really like my last Infiniti. It's a really sharp car. Nice combination of a luxury type vehicle, but also still being sporty. Has all the features I want, and it's really fun to drive. So. I would definitely recommend it to bring to a friend. They're just a really great company.